Wherever they are found close to shorelines, whales attract throngs of people hoping to catch a glimpse of some of Earth's largest living inhabitants. But those opportunities for observation have gotten a little smaller over the years. Large whale populations have taken a huge hit from commercial whaling and still face numerous human-made threats that hinder their recovery. In coastal waters, these threats include getting entangled in fishing gear, pollution, noise disturbance, and getting struck by vessels. To manage whale populations effectively, it's crucial to know where, when, and why these threats occur. Whale strandings and mortalities provide essential insights into the relative importance of these threats and help identify geographic hotspots. Recently, there have been several strandings of large whales along the U.S. East Coast. Large whales often strand due to both natural and human causes. Since 1994, the U.S. Marine Mammal Protection Act has required assessments of human-caused deaths and serious injuries in marine mammals. These assessments, along with data from the National Marine Mammal Strandings Database, allow for a detailed analysis of strandings over time. To understand recent whale strandings, researchers from Stony Brook University looked at publicly available data on strandings and injuries for large whales on the East Coast. They focused on key species ecology, population trends, and current threats. Their analysis identified vessel strikes and fishing gear entanglements as major threats to large whales globally. Vessel strikes often result in fatal injuries, especially from large ships traveling at high speeds. Since 2016, there has been an unusual mortality event for humpback, minke, and right whales. This has been particularly noticeable in mid-Atlantic states, with strandings occurring year-round, not just during traditional foraging seasons. Known causes of death and injuries reveal that before the sharp rise in strandings, entanglements were a more frequent cause of death than vessel strikes. However, during the surge, vessel strikes increased significantly, especially in New York and Virginia, which coincided with increased container vessel traffic in these areas. Researchers believe the rise in strandings and vessel strikes is likely due to increased vessel traffic, changes in whale habitat use, and the presence of juvenile whales. Humpback whales, which have been observed foraging in new areas like the waters of New York and New Jersey, may be more susceptible to vessel strikes due to their surface feeding behavior and the presence of dense prey species. These shifts in habitat use and prey availability, combined with increased vessel traffic, contribute to the observed increases in whale strandings. Offshore, wind energy development has been questioned by some for its potential impact on whale populations. However, during the study period from 2016 to 2022, only 7 wind turbines were operational, and there was no significant link between strandings and offshore wind survey authorizations. Most offshore wind-related activities occurred after the initial increase in strandings, suggesting that wind energy development is not the primary cause of the recent rise in whale strandings. While offshore wind farms do contribute to underwater noise, the small number of turbines and minimal associated vessel traffic during the study period likely had a limited impact on whale populations. Future wind energy projects will need careful monitoring and mitigation to minimize potential harm to marine mammals. The researchers' findings indicate that vessel strikes, exacerbated by increased vessel traffic and changes in whale habitat use, are the main drivers of the recent increase in humpback whale strandings along the U.S. East Coast. Measures such as seasonal management areas designed to protect North Atlantic right whales could be extended to other whale species. Additionally, ongoing data collection and monitoring are crucial for effective conservation strategies. Public interest in marine mammal welfare highlights the need for clear, data-driven communication about the causes of whale mortality. By addressing key threats and improving our understanding of whale behavior and habitat use, we can better protect these majestic creatures and support their recovery. Don't stop here. Find out more. Visit the links in the description below for more in-depth information on the stories presented in this video.